Let's learn some affectionate words in Japanese. And I was thinking about starting with I love you. It's funny because in Japan, being too emotional shows that you're not in control of yourself. But this doesn't mean that Japanese people don't feel anything. In fact, it's quite the opposite. But we channel our emotional energy into arts. Whereas in the USA, people tend to be overly emotional. They give high fives and hugs to everybody. And I'm not saying that one is better than the other, but think about it. We use the word love for pretty much everything. I love food. I love you, man. I love this language course. But we make a big deal when it's about saying it to our romantic partner. So it's very subtle and it doesn't make it easier for English learners. Now in Japanese, we have different words for that. The universal love is ai. 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 And if you want to say I love you, Google Translate is probably going to give you aishiteru. 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 But this is really intense, way more than when we say it in English in a romantic relationship. When we talk about romantic love, there is the word koi. 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 So you could definitely say koi suru to say being in love or falling in love. Koi suru. And koi is also the one you'll use to talk about your girlfriend or boyfriend. We'll say koibito. Koibito, koibito, which literally means loved person. Actually, you can put koi and ai together and it becomes renai, renai, which is the passionate love. But the more natural way to say it among young people in their honeymoon phase is suki, suki, ski. So here you can devocalize the u in su, ski, just like skiing, ski, or ski desu, if you want to be polite. It might sound weird to you, but if the person you like is older than you, it's not uncommon to stay polite towards that person in the way you speak and throughout the whole relationship, actually. And if you want to say, I really like you, you can say, daisuki desu, daisuki desu, daisuki desu, or daisuki. Now, another affectionate word is aitai, 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 which is the equivalent of I miss you, but it literally means I want to meet you. It's from the verb au, meaning to meet, and conjugated with the tai form, which makes want to meet. And again, the context makes it obvious that you are missing the person you're talking to. So here is how it works. If you've been going out with a person for a couple of months or a year, you'd say ski or daisuki, or with this, ski desu, daisuki desu. And then during the relationship, if your romantic partner is away, you can say aitai, aitai desu. Then after a couple of years of ups and downs, you get married. Well, you could say aishiteru at that time, but I feel like you still need to prove yourself. So wait until your wife is pregnant and she goes through the process of giving life. You go through many more years of hardship, and then you can say aishiteru. But at that point, you understand each other so well that you don't even need to say it. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. If you found this helpful, please let me know with a thumbs up or in the comments. And don't forget to share and subscribe for more content like this. Ciao, mata ne!